Oops! Removing unwanted encaustic surface texture. Excerpts from Luscious Lines instructional video.
Let's face it, there are always marks we make that we wish we hadn't. What to do? Well, if you've used a non-electric tool, don't fuse the mark, but simply let it cool completely. The cooler, the better. Then, using a clay loop tool, quickly and with confidence, pull it across your wax surface. Obviously, this works better if you're working on a smooth surface. If you've used an electric tool, use the same technique and make sure your surface is very cool before you make your move.